Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about the negative effect of junk food or fast food. So what is junk food? Junk food is an informal term applied to some foods that are perceived to have little or no nutritional value. That is, it containing empty calories, or to or to products with nutritional value, but which also have ingredient considered unhealthy when regularly eaten. So, what is junk food contains? It contains saturated fat, sugar, and salt, little or no fruits, vegetables, or dietary fiber. And common junk foods include salted snacks, foods like chips and candies, gums, or most sweet dessert, fried fast foods, and carbonated beverages, as, a, as well as alcoholic beverages. And some facts of junk food. Junk foods are known for the high amount of sugar present in them, and the amount of minerals and vitamins is less in junk foods, while it is loaded with the calories. Cookies, candies, muffins, fried foods, etc. contains high amount of hydrogenated oils and fats, and these trans fats are hydrogenated oils present in these foods, and it do not serve any purpose in the nourishment of the body, and the margin of profit earned by the soft drink companies is around 97%. Thus, it is possible for them to resort to excessive spending in advertising their products. Effect of junk food. Junk food is made using a lot of saturated fats, such as fats are unhealthy and on digestion can release a lot of toxins into your body, and your body gets food but not healthy food. And junk food is sometimes made using ingredients that are not very clean, and this can in the long run spoil your stomach, liver, and intestine. Junk food does not contain vitamins and minerals, and much of the nutrients seen in properly cooked food, and in raw food, so it makes the person having such a foods with continuous eating of junk food exposes the body to long periods of bad nutrition, and the result is releases of free radicals, which are the chief factors responsible for aging effect. And eating junk food can causes weight gain, diabetes, or heart disease. There are some negative effects of fast food. First effect is unhealthy ingredient. First is an unhealthy ingredient. Fast food often contains high levels of unhealthy fats, sugars, and salts, which can lead to weight gain and health problems. Second effect is health issues. Eating too much of fast food can increase the risk of obesity, heart diseases, diabetes, and high blood pressure. Third effect is a lack of nutrients. Fast food is often low in essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and fibers, which are important for good health. Fourth effect is overeating. Fast food is designed to be tasty and satisfying, which can lead to overeating and consuming more calories than needed. Fifth effect is impact on a mental health. Some studies suggest that a diet of high in fast food may be linked to an increase in the risk of depression and other mental health issues. So it is important to balance fast food with the healthier option and limit of consumption to avoid this negative effect. Fast food has become a ubiquitous part of modern life and offering convenience and affordability. However, the negative effect of fast food on our health and well-being cannot be overlooked. From the from the high levels of unhealthy ingredient to the impact of mental health, the consequences of the consuming fats and fast food, can be far-reaching. One of the most significant negative effects of fast food is its contribution to poor health. And fast food is often packed with unhealthy fats, sugars, and salts, which can lead to weight gain and a range of health problems. The excessive consumption of these ingredients can contribute to obesity and heart diseases or diabetes and high blood pressure. And the lack of essential nutrients in fast foods, such as vitamins, minerals, and fibers, further exacerbates these health issues or increases these health issues. Food can also lead to overeating, and the combination of high levels of sugars, fats, and salts in fast food triggers pleasure center in the brain and making it easy to overindulge. This can lead to consuming more calories than the body needs and contributing to weight gain and associated health problems. Beyond physical health, the negative effect of fast food extend to mental health as well. And some studies suggest a link between a diet high in fast food and increased risk of depression and other mental health issues. And this could be due to the impact of unhealthy dietary choices on brain function and overall well-being. Another concerning aspect of fast food is its environmental impact. The production and distribution of fast food contribute to greenhouse gas emissions and deforestation and other environmental issues. Additionally, the excessive packaging and waste generated by fast food consumption further strains the environment. The convenience and affordability of fast food can lead to a reliance on its primary source of nutrition, and this can result in a lack of variety in the diet and reduces in intake of essential nutrients and further compromising our health. In conclusion, the negative effects of fast foods are numerous and far-reaching, from contributing to poor physical health to impacting mental well-being and straining the environment. The consequences of consuming fast foods are significant, and it's important for individuals to be mindful of their fast food and consuming and strive for a balanced diet that include healthier options to mitigate the negative effect. And additionally, efforts to promote healthier eating habits and improve access to nutritious foods can play a crucial role in addressing the negative impact of fast food on society as well as whole. An informal term applied to some foods that are perceived to have little or no nutritional value, or to products with nutritional value but which also have ingredients considered as unhealthy when regularly eaten, or to those considered unhealthy to consume at all. And junk foods are typically ready to eat convenience food and containing high level of saturated fats, salts or sugars, and little or no fruits, vegetables or dietary fibers. Junk foods thus have little or no health benefits. A healthy food means is one of that helps to maintain or improve health, and it is important for the prevention of many chronic health risks such as obesity, heart diseases, diabetes, and cancer. A healthy diet involves consuming appropriate amount of all nutrients and adequate amount of adequate amount of water. And nutrients can be obtained from many different foods. So there are wide variety of diet that may be considered as a healthy diet. A healthy diet that may be a healthy diet that may be have a balanced of micronutrients and energies uh, such as fats, proteins and carbohydrates and micronutrients to meet the needs for human nutrition without inducing toxicity from excessive amounts. Junk foods. First is a lack of energy. This is known as a short adverse effect resulting from eating junk foods. As a junk food don't provide you with the essential nutrients, even though they can be very much sufficient and you feel weak. The second consequences of junk food is poor concentration. This is another result of junk food habit, and these are traced to affect in immediate and medium term periods. When you have sumptuous junk metal rich in oil, you feel drowsy and fail to concentrate. Over sustained period of junk food eating, food circulation drops due to fat accumulation and lack of vital oxygen, nutrients, and proteins, particularly can stale your brain cells. Consequences of junk food is heart diseases. Junk food diet is a major cause of heart diseases. Myocardial infarction. Myocardial infarction is a severe heart failure is due to the plaque formation in arteries which demands heart to put in extra efforts to pump the blood on the downstream. On the upstream, this is a lack of returning blood to heart, and this causes two damages to the heart. Heart fatigues by the continuous extra effort it makes and it suffers oxygen supply. The onset and remedy both take a long time and a great determination to win. The fourth consequences of junk food is high cholesterol. High cholesterol is apart from the forming plaques and constricting arteries. Cholesterol also affects liver where it is metabolized. And high cholesterol from junk foods and diet strains liver, damaging it eventually. And this is a long-term effect. Effect of fast food on digestive system and cardiovascular system. Most fast foods, including drinks and sides, are loaded with the carbohydrate with the little to no fiber. When your digestive system breaks down these foods, the carbohydrates or carbs are released as a glucose, means sugar, into your bloodstream. As a result, your blood sugar is increases and your pancreas responds to the surge in glucose by releasing insulin. And this insulin transports sugar throughout your body to cells that need to be cells to need it for energy. And as your body uses or stores the sugar, your blood sugar returns to the normal. And this blood sugar processes is highly regulated by your body. And as long as you are healthy, your organs can usually handle these sugar spikes. But frequently eating high amounts of carbs can lead to a repeated spikes in your blood sugar and it damages your body. The sodium. The combination of fat, sugar and lots of sodium salt can make fast food tastier to some people. But diet high in sodium can lead to water retention, and which is why you feel puffy, bloated, or swollen after eating fast food. A diet high in sodium is also dangerous for people with blood pressure, conditions, and sodium can elevate blood pressure and put stress on your head and cardiovascular diseases. One study found that about 90% of adults underestimated how much sodium was in their fast food meals. The study surveyed 993 adults and found that their guesses were lower than the actual sodium content by more than 1000 milligram. And keeping and Food and Drug Administration recommended adults eat no more than 2300 milligrams of sodium per day, and more than 70% of sodium comes from processed food. The effect of fast food on respiratory system. Excessive calories from fast food meals can cause weight gain, and this may lead towards the obesity. Obesity increases your risk of respiratory problems, including asthma and shortness of breath. And the extra pounds can put pressure on your heart and lungs, and symptoms may show up even with the little exertion, and you may notice difficulty of breathing when you are walking or climbing stairs or exercising. Effect of fast food on the reproductive system. The ingredient in junk foods and fast foods may have an impact on your fertility. One study found that processed food contains phthalates. These phthalates are chemicals that can interrupt hormones act in your body, and exposure to high level of these chemicals could lead to reproductive issues, including development issues for a fetus. The effect of fast food on integumentary system. Uh, Research found that the dairy, chocolate, food high in fat, and foods with the high glycemic index, means carbohydrate and sugar, were associated with the acne, and more studies need to be done, and these foods are often present in a fast food. On the other hand, the research suggests that eating fruits, vegetables, and fatty acid, which is found in fish and olive oil, help to protect against the acne. Next is the effect of fast food on skeletal system. Carbs and sugar in fast food and processed food can increase acid in your mouth, and this acid can break down tooth enamel, and as your tooth enamel disappears, bacteria can take hold and cavities may develop. And obesity can also lead complications with your bone density and muscle mass. And people with the obesity may have lower bone quality and higher risk of breaking bones, especially among the older adults.